tang hadien bakawi kalong ni nakashnong Jorbil Killing hari boy district ladu noi la jing imlang jing shah ksew ko office ka district medical and health officer ka boy ringkan ka jing Lyngba ka animal husbandry and veterinary department ka boy mentak singla plong sna program ai ji kai hakashnong Jorbil Killing pan pinsha ji paidbah halo ka jingma ka bakhta na ka jingpang rabies tani ka jingpang basha ksew ni hakibe ki maran yakani ka jing lang ai ji kai la plong hakador par hall ka shnong Jorbil Killing hakabala wan bani shimbenta naduh kinong ilam shnong kiri rangba mat kilong kami nakate ke shnong kibla yo jing mento shibun e ban shim yakla jing dalada dan ka jing shada ksew ni shada hakimrat bla jutep hakakti nong we ka jingpang rabies kumban pen kan mau kani ka jing hiar ka tanat ko kot ka khia bat ka tanat madai pet yakimrat man let pen shai shi ki pai pa halor ka jingpang rabies ka dei hadin baka we ka long kami kal du noi la ka jingem na ka jing shada ha ukso uba kiri hakate ka shnong Lyngba jaka ka sngi ki riew kila let ban snap yakate ka jinglang kila yo sngo ya ka jingkran pen shai Lyngba ka doctor AJS Emily district surveillance officer ka kot ka khia hari boy but u doctor Iban Pankon na katanan animal husbandry and veterinary department.
Why we having this awareness program today is because of a very sad incident. We didn't expect it to happen, and I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere condolence, my deepest condolences to the family of the person who was deceased. So due to the suspected rabies case. So I'd like to thank the health department, Dr. Imli. She have mentioned very beautiful points, the important points. I hope you have all understand what she is trying to say. So health department, they have already explained from their side. So now why myself, I am Dr. Iban Fankan. I'm from Bernihad Veterinary Dispensary. So why veterinary is important? Why veterinary is also associated with the health department for this issue? So, like Dr. Emily have mentioned, rabies is a zoonotic disease. So what is this zoonotic disease? A zoonotic disease is a disease which spread from animal to man and man to animal. Okay, so it can spread both ways. So this is important. So we have to collaborate together in order to prevent and to control this disease. Okay. So why this awareness program is important? So we want, like, this case should not happen again. We want people to, we want to educate, we want to create this responsibility, not just from the health department, not just from the sub-centers or veterinary, but right from the grassroots level. Naduh ki rang bashnong, naduh ki khna, naduh ki keme ki kpa, barok ki yang kisam, ni diban ki khya ya kan ka jingpang. Ndai tang mangi ki doctors, naka health department, na veterinary department, barok ni diban ya ki khya. Mon. So India is a developing country, developing country. So we don't have strict rules, we don't have strict laws regarding stray dogs or animals, no? Anyone, like just today morning, one dog was coming here. I don't know whose dog was it. Konsa kuta, aya, pata nahi. So who's going to take responsibility if that dog bites? We have to ask that question. Who will take responsibility, no? So the reason we're here today, we want to spread awareness, we want to educate, and we want that such case should not happen again. So, like I read one article yesterday, like Dr. Imli have said, India, so many cases are there, lakhs of reported cases are there, and who knows unreported cases, how many are there? So, in the year 2023-24, 300 people died, and in Meghalaya around 27, and I don't know, like last year 19 people died in Meghalaya. That is only reported, but unreported, how many are there? Many are there. Okay. So last year also we had World Rabies Day, 27 or 28 September. We had awareness program in Bernihad and in 18 Mile, but only few people came. Only few people came. They don't take it serious. this disease is very serious. Like today also only few people came. How many households are here in Jorbil? Around 40-50 households, but only few people came. This awareness we want to come here and give this proper awareness. That's why I want a proper communication from the health department, from veterinary department, and all the local authorities also, so that we can together collectively, like Madam have said, collectively we will control and we will prevent this disease.
The elders of the village, the health workers of Killing sub-center, the pharmacists who are working in this village, and for all who have come for this meeting. Actually, this meeting is very important, and it's very sad also to hear and to know that just last week a member of your village, 52-year-old lady, had passed away because of this disease called rabies. She was incidentally bitten by her own pet dog, and thinking that it's her own pet dog, she did not take it serious enough to go to the nearest health facility to get her vaccine given. So just because she thinks that it's her own pet dog, it's not going to happen anything. After 2 months of that bite, she started developing symptoms. उस घाव में उसको कोई डिफरेंट और वीकनेस फील किया था, और उस टाइम 2 months के बाद वो हॉस्पिटल में गया और अपना साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स को बताया हॉस्पिटल में. बट 2 months तो वो वायरस शरीर को पूरा अफेक्ट कर लिया ना. तो हम यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट से आपको अवेयरनेस देने के लिए कि ये रैबीज़ एक छोटा बीमारी नहीं है. रैबीज़ इज़ अ फेटल डिजीज़, किसी को मारता है. जिसे को रैबीज़ मिलता है और जिसे को सिम्टम्स दिखाता है, जैसे कि हाइड्रोफोबिया, पानी से डरता है, फोटोफोबिया, लाइट से डरता है. जब वो साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स आता है तो पेशेंट बहुत सीरियस हो गया. मोस्ट ऑफ द पेशेंट्स एक्चुअली जो भी रैबीज़ ये साइंस सिम्टम्स मिलता है वो मर जाता है. हाँ, तो हमारी पूरी दुनिया में एक साल में 59,000 पीपल they die because of rabies, और इंडिया में 20,000 every year die because of rabies. और ये तो बस जो हॉस्पिटल में आता है और रिपोर्ट करता है, बाकी सब अनरिपोर्टेड. There are lots of other rabies cases जो हॉस्पिटल में नहीं आता, तो वो रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाता है. तो हमारे स्टेट में भी लास्ट ईयर में 19 पीपल रेबीज़ के शिकार हुए थे, और मोस्टली वेस्ट खासी हिल्स. जब आप यूट्यूब और न्यूज़ देखते हैं तो आप देखा कि जस्ट चंद महीनों में 3 people died ना. और लास्ट ईयर एक नर्स भी था जो रेबीज़ से मरा वेस्ट खासी हिल्स में. तो ये बीमारी लाइटली, यू शुड नॉट टेक इट लाइटली ना. तो क्यों ये बीमारी